So what I found interesting is that the easiest thing that you can do is to take off the clip, because you might lose the clip once you put in the pipe and wiggling between the connectors and stuff like that. So what you can do is you just grab it from here, put your hand from upstairs, just like that, and you just kind of, goes in place, and you just clip it in. I made it successful in the first try. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bolt this pipe right here, bolt it in. Then I'm gonna install a water pump, thermostat. I'm gonna clip all the clips. Once I got the thermostat, I'm gonna connect the coolant hoses and install the intake, and we shall be done. Oh, and the turbo pipe too as well. What the hell is the pipe? Oh, here it is. I got scared. See you.